The governor of Oregon has declared an emergency for the city of Portland just a few years after it became the first state in the nation to largely decriminalize drug use. Very interesting story here. There had been hope that a more humane approach could help curb addiction overall, but it hasn't worked out that way, at least so far. Adam Yamaghuci of CBS Reports shows us that many people are running out of patience.
The state, the county, and city declare a fentanyl state of emergency.
The state of Oregon appears to be taking a new approach in addressing the opioid crisis plaguing its largest city. The 90-day emergency order for fentanyl use, issued by the governor, establishes a command center and more coordination between emergency management and health services. However, it does not include additional funding. The goal is to give the city's residents a chance against the extremely addictive opioid.
It is a drug that compels users to redose every 45 to 90 minutes. People in the throes of a fentanyl addiction can hardly walk into a clinic without having to use again.
Everyone has Narcan?
Oregon paved the way as the first state to decriminalize drug use, passing Measure 110 in 2020. Instead of incarcerating addicts, it focuses on addiction recovery.
Because you're going to call one of these numbers?
We were with Portland police last year as they handed out citations to fentanyl users in the street.
My full-time job is fentanyl, and basically all roads lead to fentanyl in downtown Portland.
But in the years since Measure 110 was passed, overdose deaths have continued to rise, prompting local leaders to call for more than just the emergency order, but the recriminalization of drug use.
We've had 3 years of this law that has not delivered on the promise that voters thought they were getting.
Ebony Brawley doesn't want to see Oregon's law repealed. The Portland resident says it helped her avoid prison and turn her life around.
Because of Measure 110, I was able to change my story and break those chains, and provide a life for myself and for my daughter that she probably wouldn't have had otherwise.
For CBS Mornings, I'm Adam Yamaghuci.